are going to review quick review about Prime AI and its demo, and we are talking about demo pricing and features. What we will get in Prime AI. So let's get started. World first AI app lets you access sell and trending AI apps like 11 Lab, Grok, Midjourney, eBay, Figma, Amazon SES Loom. This such as a powerful AI app you can use under one platform, which is Prime AI. You will get seven most popular AI tool which help you in your content creation or in your businesses without having a monthly subscription base. You only pay one time and you will get access for the forever. So this is a powerful AI apps, AI you can use such as L1 Lab, Grok, Midjourney, eBay, Figma, Amazon SCS, and Loom, which help you to lots in your online field or online world era. Actually, this some of these AI tool you will get in the Prime AI, such as uh, 11 Labs, Grok AI, Midjourney, eBay, Figma, Loom, and many more AI apps you will get. Just create your account and log in into the dashboard of the Prime AI, and under the Prime AI you will get 11 Lab, Grok, Midjourney, eBay, Loom, Figma, and Amazon SES, uh, which help your in your businesses. One powerful dashboard, seven world class AI apps, zero monthly fees, unlimited possibilities. So you can access unlimited, you can access unlimited without having a monthly basis subscription of such kind of the AI tools. They also offer bonuses if you purchase today. They also offer the some bonuses which help in your, which help in your content creation or in your journey. Unlimited reseller license you will get absolutely free. So you have to resell. You want to resell this software, you can also resell further in on your client or any without any restriction. If you are purchase, we are going to about talking about the price. Today's price 14.95 cent. Please use coupon code prime02. You will get additional $2 discount instantly, and take benefit of this coupon code, and use don't forget to use prime02 while checking out. So there is so many features which really I like. They also offer 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't satisfied with their product or services, you can ask them money for the refund. They will refund without any question within 30 days. 30 days of time, they will refund you as soon as you apply for the refund. This is a very good software which don't have a monthly subscription, only one time fees. You can take benefit of this Prime AI. You want to watch demo, you can watch here the watch demo. They have completed demo of this Prime AI. How to use it. This is very simple dashboard. You can use this software on this very easy, because you have to log in Prime AI. There is a multiple AI tools listed, seven multiple AI tool listed there. You can choose them as per your requirement. Click on the, if you want to choose Grok AI, so you click on Grok AI and you can use the Grok AI as per your requirement without any restriction. So that's my quick review and demo for this Prime AI. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like gents, please, if you like this video, please like this video